Okay, it's Ron out here in the backyard today. We're testing out the DJI Neo drone here with the tracking, and we've also got a hay boxing RC car out here with the DJI Action 5 Pro on it, with all the new firmware on it that just came out the other day, including improved low light. We're not kind of cloudy, but I wouldn't call this low light right now. So let's see if it could follow me, you driving the car. So you may not have audio for a couple minutes. I got my ear pods in. Maybe that'll get the audio here. Maybe it won't. But here we go with the car. And we got a recorder in the car too. So she's doing pretty good in all these leaves. All the fall leaves have, not all the fall leaves, a lot of fall leaves are down. But here it comes back. So I'm going to actually, bring it back to me, and I'm going to walk along with it, and maybe we can get some good video of it as I'm walking along. Get it behind me. I always have a problem keeping the camera up. I always have a problem keeping the camera up. And here we go. It's a nice wide shot. It comes back to us. I think the battery's kind of going dead on the RC car. Yeah, we're going real dead on the RC car battery. Oops! Oh, we had a little crash. Here we come. Here it comes. And that darn camera's down again. That darn camera's down again. I don't know if I'm recording all this audio or not, but I hope you like that little, run of the Action DJI Action 5 Pro. We were 4K 60, 10-bit color, auto white balance, auto exposure, and so on. And I hope some of that was captured the thing here. I'm going to see if I can follow that little car. Okay, in this portion of the video, we attempt to track the RC car with the DJI Neo drone. Now, spoiler alert here, it didn't go so well. I could draw a box around the RC car and have the Neo recognize it, but as soon as the car moved, the tracking I'm going to call it the tracking bubble, for lack of a better word, would disappear every time. I tried it numerous times to redraw the box, and again, it could see the RC car, and it would have it, locked in as a trackable object until I started moving the car, and then would lose it. I think once or twice it did actually follow the car for just like a split second or two before it lost it. But most attempts, as soon as the car moved, the box that I drew on the screen would go away.